Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of Google's best AI tools. What used to be called NotebookLM is now officially Gemini Notebook. If you haven't checked it out recently, Google has transformed this tool from a basic document summarizer into a full-fledged AI research partner. It's still grounded in whatever sources you upload, PDFs, Google Docs, web links, YouTube videos, so it only talks about your data with zero hallucinations. In this 5-minute walkthrough, I'm going to show you how I use it to break down complex topics, build slides, create visual study guides, and even replay a real Flutter architecture project I built right inside the tool. Let's jump in. First up, let's look at how Gemini Notebook handles complex concepts. Once you drop in your documentation or research papers, you're not just stuck with plain text chats. As you can see on screen, Gemini Notebook can generate structured presentation outlines and slides directly from your uploaded material. Need to present a breakdown to your team or class? It formats key talking points and supporting evidence in seconds. On top of that, it now creates concept explanatory visuals and diagrams. Whether you're trying to understand how a complex system works or you need to visualize relationships across multiple documents, it generates clear mind maps, illustrations, and contextual summaries. It's honestly like having a personal tutor and graphic assistant rolled into one. One of my absolute favorite updates is how it handles multimodal overviews. You might remember the iconic AI podcast feature from NotebookLM. Well, now Gemini Notebook takes it a step further with video overviews. It transforms your uploaded documentation into narrated, slide-style explanatory videos with visual diagrams and AI narration. So if you learn better by listening or watching rather than reading through 50-page PDFs, you can literally turn your notes into a mini video course with one click. Now, let me show you a real-world example of how I actually use this. A while back, I uploaded the complete Flutter framework documentation and architecture guides into the notebook to master mobile app architecture. Here's the video replay and slide deck generated right from those Flutter sources. Look at how it breaks down the Flutter architecture layers, from the UI widgets down to the business logic, state management, and data layers. Notice how the AI host walks through the flow of data, how user interactions trigger state changes, how controllers update the UI, and how the underlying native engines communicate. It didn't just summarize raw code, it structured the entire architectural pattern into consumable slides and visual diagrams. If you're a developer trying to learn a new framework or onboard a team onto a clean architecture pattern, this saves hours of reading dense tech specs. The best part about all of this? Trust. Whenever Gemini Notebook gives you an answer, generates a diagram, or writes out code explanations, every single point is backed by direct citations. Click on a reference tag, and it highlights the exact quote from your uploaded Flutter docs or PDFs. Plus, with the new Gemini integrations, you can export these outputs straight to Google Slides, PDFs, or code execution environments without losing your workflow. It keeps your brain focused on thinking rather than organizing. Whether you're studying software architecture, prepping a presentation, or just trying to organize a massive research project, Gemini Notebook is easily one of the most powerful AI tools out there right now. Have you tried the new Gemini Notebook features yet? Drop a comment below and let me know how you're using it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.